apparently you guys have been asking for me to do vlogging again. So if y'all want to see what I do all day, okay. So we have to go to San Diego on a secret mission.
Charging you $400 for a room. Just go to like the Marriott or something.
Okay, you need to go because you're not on my level right now. You're not on my level right now.
Hold on.
You on brain
That's
juice.
half correct.
No. I put you on brain juice, but he don't listen to me. So then he heard it again from Joe Rogan, and then all of a sudden it's the truth.
No.
But I told you the same thing.
You done? And don't whip your hair in my face either.
What?
So listen, I heard from Joe Rogan first. I like those shows that show you like futuristic stuff, like how it's gonna look and like.
It's called sci-fi.
But not all sci-fi though. No. So listen. So some sci-fi it have like the animals and all the aliens and stuff. I don't like that kind of sci-fi. I just like the sci-fi where they show new technology.
It's still sci-fi though.
No, I get it.
Oh, okay.
But when you say like sci-fi, you group me into a whole category when I don't like a certain type of sci-fi.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay.
There we go. Okay. Now take your time. Now go. Everything is always taking your time. Now this is an older car, so you have to put a little bit more when you turn with the steering wheel.
It's moving fast.
All right, now turn in. And then now, put your feet on the brakes and ease.